Hello, welcome to the tutorial of the Anatomy and Physiology Revealed software. Please turn to page 138 and 139 in your lab book as a point of reference. The screen you are currently viewing is the home screen. You can return to this screen at any time by clicking the home button in the upper right hand corner of the page. Before you begin any labs, you must first select the system. If you are unsure of the system that needs to be selected, simply look at the top of the page in your lab book. Chapter 4, the muscular system. Once you are at the system page, it will give you several other options: dissection, animation, histology, and self-test. Some systems also give you an X-ray option. Now look at page 138, exercise 411. The dissection button is present underneath the title. Next to it, select topic, forearm and hand, select view, anterior, and then go. This leads us in the proper order in how to get to our first lab. Dissection, select topic, forearm and hand, select view, anterior, go. In the right-hand side, a picture will appear of the selected area. In the left-hand side are several boxes that will aid us through our lab. The first box enables us to change the current view. This button will lead us back to our animated model. We can change the location topic, or we can change the view. Please look at page 138. Underneath the instructions of the view and the topic tells us to click on layer 1 in the layer controls. Each of these radio buttons is a different layer in the muscular system. Layer 1's pins are blue. This indicates that these areas are not part of the muscular system. They will be reviewed in another system area. Please look at page 139. We will next move to layer 2. Notice how the scroll bar scrolled all the way to the bottom in layer 1. If you move the scroll bar up or down, it will slowly dissolve the outer layer to the next layer. With layer 2 selected, we can see both green pins and blue pins. The green pins indicate the current system. Simply mousing over these pins will show us the name of the specific muscle. While this is important, it is a better idea to click on the pin, and it will highlight the entire muscle that this pin is showing. Not only does it highlight the muscle, but it also gives us important information in the bottom left-hand window. This information will be used to answer the questions in your self-test reviews. Let's look at the next layer. You can either scroll down to fade out layer 2 into layer 3, or you can simply click on the layer 3 radio button. Again, each pin will show the name of the muscle when you place your mouse on top of it. However, clicking on that pin will show you the entire muscle, as well as give you the information that will be important for your review questions. Please turn to page 140 and 141. Once you have completed all of the layers, again noticing the blue buttons are not part of the system and the green buttons are part of the system, you can even move down into the skeletal in this area. But since the pins are blue, we will not need to worry about them until we get to the skeletal system. On page 141, we have a new exercise. Simply click on the Change Topic and View. We are still working with the forearm and hand, but this time we need the posterior. The new picture will appear just as it is in the lab book. You will be able to go through each layer as necessary. Remember, clicking the home button will take you all the way back to the beginning and to the home page. Please let your instructor know if you have any further questions.